It is possible that the person will conduct himself only according to what is beneficial for his health, as we explained, but this will be self-contained goal. His only concern will be that he is healthy and not affected by disease. This is also not a sign of personal development. For just as one desires the pleasure and health and well-being, another desires the pleasure and food or sex. None of them represents the true goal for our conduct. Okay, so all of this pleasure should not be a goal. It's only like some things what we do to maintain the healthy body. But let's see one more time this paragraph from the beginning. It's possible that the person will conduct himself only according to what beneficial for his health. So a person is trying to be healthy. So he eats avocado, all of these, salads, like all of this healthy, schmancy, this, everything is organic and stuff like that, right? So, but for the soul, there is no problem if it's to keep healthy. If it's not organic, it's going to kill you. This GMO stuff is going to kill you. Okay, eat organic, but you only eat organic because you want to eat healthy, because you want to stay healthy in order to serve HaShem, and in order to learn about HaShem and attach to Him. But for many people, it's became like Judaism is one thing, and this is it's also like almost similar to the health is almost similar to serving HaShem, Chas v'Shalom, as we explained. But this will be self-contained goal. So the only goal for these people is to be healthy. His only concern will be that he is healthy and not affected by disease. So, they would take shots, flu shots, this shot, that shot, and that's it. So, it has nothing to do with HaShem in His service. This is also not a sign of personal development. So, development meaning that you growing up spiritually, right, to the right goal. But he has no spirituality. It's like the animal. For just as one desires the pleasure of health. So, and the person enjoys his health, right? He can get up. Some people jogging. They can jog 10 miles. I don't know, whatever they do, right? So, and they enjoy it. They derive pleasure from this, and health and well-being. Another desires pleasure of food or sex. So, right? None of these represent the true goal for our conduct.